Colorful Vibes, and I'm back again. Alright, so let me show you my top. That is velvet. Yes, it is soft. Yes, I made that. Yes. Okay. I hope you guys are doing well, I hope you guys are doing colorful things, positive things. All different types of colors mean all different types of things. So if you're determined, go for that. If you're, really powerful right now, go for that. If you're feeling really rich right now, go for that. There's all different types of colors that you could be feeling right now. And I hope you feel all of those types of things. Today is gonna be a really quick, probably really short video with me talking about my hair. Yes, it's still wet, and you can tell I have a lot of straggly pieces, and if you can't tell, then today is going to be about me going from straight to curly, back to the fro, because I missed it. I missed all my curls. Oh my god, I don't know what I would do if one day they were just gone. Like, I straightened my hair, went to wet it and everything, and boom, no curls. Like, I would die. I would so die. But there's a lot of straggly pieces, raggedy pieces, whatever you want to say, and I'm going to cut those off soon, very soon. But you're gonna find out that I'm a lazy natural hairstyle, naturalist, whatever you want to call me. I'm lazy. So my hair is not straight in the video. It's going to be like a poofy straight, because Florida does not permit you to have your freaking hair straight like for more than 3 days. So it definitely poofed out again because of the humidity, but the rest of my hair was straight. It was just really big because I had it in a ponytail forever, and when I took it out, it was just like whoosh. so I decided to go freaking wash my hair and get it back to its natural state. And I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment below on, if you like the video, if you think I should stop straightening my hair. Give me a second. Sorry, my Uber Eats came, but let me know if, if you ever had an experience to where your hair, you straightened it and it did not go back to being curly. All right, let me get into it. Here it is. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because who wants to talk in the shower, right? But yeah, so this is my hair straight. Like I said, low poofy because the humidity in Florida does not allow you to have straight hair for more than like 3 days. So I went to a ponytail and did its thing. My roots are a little curly, but the rest of my hair is really straight. But yeah, just poofy and wild, and I know I look crazy, y'all, but bear with me. We gonna get cute, okay? We gonna get cute together. All right, so let me move this over. Let's get started. Put my head in the water, and as you can see, it's really like it don't do nothing at first. I be feeling like sometimes, my curls will not come back, and it's scary. But yeah, so I just put some water on it, and I usually do this just to let the water flow through my head, let it do what it do, let it get soaked. Y'all, please don't mind my underarms. I know I need to shave. Okay, so y'all peeping. Y'all see that, right? It's barely curl. I mean, it's curl, but it's barely. Like, we need to put some in that. Something, honey. Something. This is the conditioner I use, and I live by this. Like, dead ass, I live by this. Like, sorry I had to curse, but it was that serious. It's that serious. This stuff makes my hair glow, okay? Now, I know it's getting foggy, but I put like 10 pumps in my hand because I have a lot of hair and it's thick as hell. Okay? But that's how much I put in. Now let me get to a part that's not foggy. Alright, so I'm grabbing my brush, about to brush it out so I can get my curls back real quick. And you're gonna see that I'm basically going to brush it out and then I'm gonna go back and use my fingers. And that's really just because I like to have all the knots out. I like to be secure. I like to feel it. I'm weird like that, but yeah. All right, so you can see that when I brush my hair, it is definitely straight. And usually you just, bounce back. My hair is totally not healthy. I always get questions on how do you keep your hair healthy? I don't know. It just do what it do. I'm lazy, guys. I'm really freaking lazy. I'm so sorry. I always get back into the water because my hair soaks up everything like a sponge. So, just gotta moist it out, moisturize it more with this water and get all of those knots out. And basically, you can just see my hair is curled, my hair is froed. This is a nice little wash and go. Remember, I said that I was going to go back through with my hands. Yes, it really takes me this long to do my hair. But I'm going to go back through with my hands and make sure that all the knots are out. And then really, I'm finished. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all can see my curls are back. No more of that scary fro. Now it's a nice cute fro. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.